believe what's it. Big old wave. Look at that one over there. Big old waves. Gotta love the ocean. Look at it. Charlotte. Oh, I spot a herring go on a pole. She'll be pubbing around too lot. That's where she's gone. Just wonder they're not cheaping down here for a wrap. Double wraps. Anyway, calm. Keep calm. I've got a migraine at the moment. I can't shit. I'll assume with that going over my head. Splish bash. As I said, that's looking out towards Dover Strait over there. You've got Dungeness in the middle, and then looking out that way is towards Dymchurch, St Mary's Bay, New Romney, and then Littlestone, Greatstone, Dungeness. And I'm going to get soaked in a minute. So I wonder this is behaving, this storage. Anyway, I'll go silent. Have a great Saturday, all of you. And thank you for being on the channel.